Uy, ano? Tara, duwi tayo. Gusto mo? Sige, alam mo ba to? Meow, 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 meow.
It's so...
Meow, 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 meow.
Stell's duet with Naya. Look at Naya, so cute.
Meow, 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 meow. Ay, ang perfect mo naman, Naya. Anong secret, Naya? Ba't ang galing mo
Oh,
magduet sa
cute.
akin?
This is so cute.
It's the all
Look at-
new Gouda's Dry Food. Packed with essential vitamins, B6 and
Oh.
B12, kaya naman active,
Okay.
alert, and
It's a
always
pet,
ready to perform si Naya.
food product.
Just like me.
Promotion.
Love na love niya talaga to because it
Naya
has
is the
natural
cute.
ingredients
Naya is so
and an
cute.
irresistible taste na talagang magugustuhan rin pati ng mga fur babies nyo. Sa murang halaga, complete na ang inyong cat sa nutrition. O di ba? Napaka-affordable na at napakasulit pa. Thanks to Gouda's Dry Food. Cats are healthy, happy, and always ready for the next big performance. Ano na yan? Duwit na tayo. Tara!